try to hold for at least 10 seconds. Feels so good. Yeah, I feel so strong, like in my core, like in my shoulders, in my fingers, and then nothing hurts on my body. It just feels amazing. And the handstands is improving a lot, so now I can like quite slowly go up and stay a little bit and go down control. So it feels so nice. It's so nice when you work hard and you feel the results. So nice. It doesn't matter what you do. When you work hard and feel the results, you will feel amazing. And this is what makes me feel amazing, you know. Move my body, climb, explore the range of emotion, do new exercises, and share it with you. I feel so good. And look at the weather, so beautiful. Now I'm gonna buy a lot of cucumbers, tomatoes and lettuce to eat on the bus. So when I come home to my tent, I'm gonna smash in the carbs. I'm gonna cook some lentils maybe. We'll see what I feel for when I come home. I feel so good, guys. I wish you the best. I wish you the best. You gotta go hard, but stay soft heart. Love ya. And sometimes I also do the brown fat activation to increase the warmth in my... So now I'm setting my tent here, working with the... Here's the forest. Oh, it's a little bit like this, so it's quite dark here. Really nice. Yeah, we're gonna take these sticks now. Finish the tent. See you later. Finished. Took me about 8 minutes. And here we have some fucking trash. Gonna take it to the trash tomorrow. And tomorrow it's time. Wake up first. That's what I think about now. Go to bed, wake up. Then we'll see what happens. Good night. Sleep well. And always check yourself for ticks, you know? You do it before you go into the tent. And you do it before you take your clothes off. You do it when you have taken your clothes off, and you do it before you go to bed. So you always check, because you don't want that bastard under your balls or somewhere else in your body. So check for that. That's a tip from me. Good night.